Hi, hello, I'm Angel. Welcome to the final day, but not really the final day. I am officially declaring my roof job finished as of today. I've lost count. It's 14 days, 15 or 16 days since I had my supplies delivered, which were a day late. And I have taken a few days off, maybe 3 or 4, and a couple of just very partial days, an hour or two. So I would say it's maybe day 12 or 13 of actual work on the roof, and I just used up a couple more cans of contact cement, or not contact cement, but roofing cement and patching material for a wet area over there where it was holding some water in front of my parapet. I will say some things I've learned. I'm going to probably do a follow-up complete video, but I've been doing these daily ones every so many days when there's light left, which there is today. Pretty sunset happening. Things that come to mind as tips. I've mentioned already before, you're going to need more materials than you think. Helping hands are helpful. Don't panic. Do the best you can. Some other things. Today I was using the black mesh for some of my seams. Some of the seams I used either a caulking gun or the little, not the trowel, but whatever that little plastic, I use a plastic, I can't think of the name I'm looking for, putty knife, I guess. In any case, to get it under the edge where it didn't stick well because of the cold. And I think the mesh tape is faster, but it does leave a bigger lump because you have to put down a layer, put down the tape, and then go over it, as opposed to just putting some underneath the edge, holding that down. So I think it really is depending a little bit on where you're using it, in the specific area. And I've done some of each, so maybe down the road I will give a report of what I found as it wears, So far I have officially gone through all the edges, all the cosmetic areas. There's still probably a little bit of touch-up work that I'm going to do, and I still have a can and a half or so of patching stuff, so I probably will use that up after this next storm. But I got my edges all screwed down, all trimmed, all sealed up with roofing cement. I've got all my edges that didn't stick well reinforced with underlay and or overlay, and I still need to clean up some boards and bricks, although my friend suggested that I put some bricks in a place that was puddling, which might seem counterintuitive, but I like the idea because it's going to dissuade as much water from accumulating there. So we'll see how that goes. But a lot of these bricks I will be taking down. So it's really, and then I also have to touch up the stucco. So it's really actually 2 or 3 more days of work up here. But I'm declaring it officially over, officially done. I believe it is December 8th or 9th. I'm not even sure. I think I started November 17th or so when everything got delivered. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Look for other videos on this topic, and I will be putting some together with my whole tips and tricks. I'm going to go enjoy that sunset. Talk to you later.